Hello students, very good morning. Today we will continue with lesson number 9, Decimal Fractions part 6. In this part we will be studying problem set 42. Problem set 42, subtract the following. Now we have to subtract decimal fraction, these two decimal fraction. Our first sum is 25.74 minus 13.42. Okay. Now we will subtract these two decimal fraction. We will write 25.74 minus 13.42. Yes, put minus sign. Okay. Now we will subtract this decimal fraction. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 7 minus 4, that is 3. Put decimal point. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So our final answer is 12.32. Okay. Second sum. 206.35 minus 168.22. Now we are going to subtract this. 206.35 minus 168.22. Put subtraction sign. Now we are going to subtract this to decimal fraction. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Put decimal point. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 6. So what we are going to do? We will cancel this 6. We will write 6. We will carry 1 from the number before 6. So 0 means 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So we will write here 9. Is that clear? And we will cut this 2 and we will write 1 over here. Now we can subtract 8 from 16. Yes. So we will get the answer as 8. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So our final answer is 38.13. Understood, children? Next, third sum. It is 63.4 minus 31.8. Okay. Now we will subtract 63.4 minus 31.8. Put subtraction sign. Now I cannot subtract 8 from 4. So I will cut this 4. I will write here up 4. Now I will carry one digit from the number which is before 4. That is 3. I will cut 3 and I will carry 1 from 3. So here I will get 2. Okay. Now I can subtract 1 from 2. So there is no need of cancellation. The before number. Now I can subtract 8 from 14. I get the answer as 6. Put decimal point. Now I can subtract 1 from 2. So I get the answer as 1. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So my final answer is 31.6. Understood, children? Fourth sum. 63.4 minus 31.83. Now we are going to subtract this decimal fraction. So we will write here 63.4. Yes. Minus 31.83. Now there is no number above 3. So we will put 0. Okay. Now we will subtract this. Now I cannot subtract 3 from 0. So I will cut the 0. I will write here 0 up. I will cut the digit 4 and I will carry 1 from 4. So I will get here now 3. Yes. Now I cannot subtract 8 from 3. So I will cut this 3 digit and I will carry 1 from 3. So here I will get 2. Did you understood? Now we are going to subtract. Yes, I can subtract 10 from 3. Yes. So I get the answer as 7. I can subtract 8 from 13. Yes. So I get the answer as 5. Put decimal point. I can subtract 1 from 2. Yes, so I get the answer as 1. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So my final answer is 31.57. Okay. Now the next fifth sum. 18.23 minus 9.45. We will subtract this decimal fraction. 18.23 minus 9.45. We will subtract. Okay. Now I cannot subtract 5 from 3. So I will cut this 3. I will write here up 3. I will cancel this 2 and I will carry 1 from 2. So that becomes 13. Now here if I borrowed 1 from 2. So here I am left with only 1. I cannot subtract 4 from 1. So I will cut the number 8 and I will carry 1 over here. If 1 is borrowed from 8, I get over here 7. Again I will cut 1 and I will put here 1. So I have borrowed 1 from this one. So here 0 it is. Yes. Now I can subtract now 5 from 13. I get the answer as 8. Now 4 from 11 I can subtract. I get the answer as 7. Put decimal point. I can subtract 9 from 17. Yes. So I will write here 8. Now my final answer is 8.78. Did you understood, children, how we carried the subtraction for decimal fraction? Okay.